welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Martelli Notions Sew and Show subscription box for the month of August. Now I've already opened it up and I am super excited to show you what it is. It is a project month. Every month they might give you tools or projects. You just never know, but it's all going to be high quality products made by Martelli Notions or really high quality projects. So I'm really excited that this one's going to be a project and we're going to make it in the next video, but today we're just going to unbox it and see all that you get with Martelli Notions. Okay, I'm going to just pull it all out. There is some flex foam in here. So if you can guess, maybe down in the comments, what flex foam is used for, what could you use it for? I don't know. If you're a bag maker, you might be familiar with flex foam, but if you're not and you're a quilter, this might be something that you've never worked with before. Flex foam is just about 1/4 of an inch thick foam that holds its shape. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is I have this card here. It says win a quilt, 6 winners if you purchase a 25 days of Martelli to get 10 tickets in the draw. Okay, so let's see, what is the project? I see zipper, I see fabric, and I see a pattern. So we have the travel case for a mini iron. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I actually have the mini Aliso. Let's see if I can find it. Right here. It kind of just hangs out. So there is a photo of the Aliso on the actual pattern. So of course this one's going to fit perfectly, but a lot of mini irons are around the same size, so I'm sure if you have a different one it will probably work, but I don't have anything to store this in, so I'm really excited about this project. So the great thing about their patterns is that they have a full print out with graphics, full color, good quality. You can keep this forever. It also has a template made out of their plastic template material, and it has the no grip or non-slip surface on the back, which is great. So you'll have this forever. And it also comes with a YouTube video tutorial. So if you're like me and you don't love reading and you just want to watch somebody make it themselves, then you're able to access that video via, usually it's a QR code. If not, it'll be on their YouTube channel. But in here, they have all the measurements for everything else you need to cut out, apart from this template piece, because everything else is just like squares and rectangles. You don't really need, you know, all that. So as long as you keep this with this, then you'll have the pattern forever. So of course, you need to purchase this month's box to be able to access this wonderful printout. After that, we of course have the little pamphlet that comes in every subscription box, and in here it just tells you all the things that you're receiving in this box, and then some QR codes to make sure that you join their quilters group, their social media, and you know, sign up for updates so that you never miss a fun project or video from Martelli. Okay, so we have some fabric and it is absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness, look at this. We have a purple variation going on here. Oh, I'm so obsessed. This is Robert Kaufman fabric, the floral, and it has this like silver detail. And then we have, I think these are just like the coordinating. Oh, it's so pretty. And this one has like butterflies on it and more flowers that have that metallic silver. It really has like a pop out of that deep dark purple background. So I am obsessed. I would love to get my hands on some more of that fabric. And then the coordinating, which again, has flowers, but it has silver details in the center. So I am obsessed with this fabric choice. So whoever chose this little collection, good job. You did amazing. Okay, so then we have some notions to go along with it, and we have a piece of webbing, a zipper, a size 5 zipper by the yard, and oh my goodness, it has a rainbow coil and a metallic tape. That is going to look so nice up against the dark purple. And then it came with 2 rainbow circle pulls. Obsessed. Oh, I'm so excited to be able to dive into this. There's also information about the foam, which is from Basel Foam Fiber Interfacing and Crafts. So if you're new to that flex foam here, that's what's going to give us the shape for the little iron pouch. So last but not least, they give you the month of the box sticker. I like to collect these, and I'm gonna put this on something very soon, but I have every month you get a little sticker. This one says August 2025 sew and show. And yeah, just a nice little add-on. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in getting your own sew and show box from Martelli Notions, I will leave a link in the description box down below. If you go over to any of their social media, tell them that Ashley sent you, and I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next video where we actually sew up this fun pattern together.